welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. Now, before I picked any cards, I got the word really strongly, rebirth, for this week. And then I picked the cards and then I laughed because the first one out was the Judgment card. Then I had the Ace of Cups. And then the Page of Cups. And by this time I was really laughing. So, to be honest, I didn't really need to pick the cards, but sometimes they just reinforce and back up what spirit and what source energy has given me. So this is just lovely. Now, the Judgment card is about rebirth, and it's about new beginnings and new starts. But I want you to have a look at the picture there, because it really does describe what we're going through and what this week is going to be all about for some of you. Now, if you look, those people there, first of all, they have no clothes on, so they're naked. So the idea with this card is that when you are being reborn, it means that it's taking away all of your old stuff, all of the stuff that you were done with. I know there's some cards that have that message anyway, but this is really letting go on such a big level on regarding all of the things, your old stories, your beliefs, your constructs, the narratives that you've been telling yourself, everything. It's just letting go of everything completely. Now, probably won't all happen in this week, but you get the idea. There is an opportunity this week for you to let go, to surrender, to heal, to release, to transmute some of that negative energy or low vibrating energy that you might still have in your energy field. So what is still in your life that you think, this isn't working? It could be anything. It could be a belief, an idea, a thought that you keep having, a memory that keeps popping up. It could be, just anything really from the past. It could be back through your ancestral lines. It could be past lives, or, however you view these things. So what is it that you've still got to clear? What do you need to let go of? So that's the first thing. That's the letting go. That's the releasing. The angel is lovely. You can see the angel there, and this is listening. Can you see there's like some sound coming out of the trumpet there? They're blowing the trumpet, meaning the universe, or whatever word you use, God, your angels and guides, are calling you. They're asking you to shed all of your old stuff because you don't need it anymore. They're asking you to wake up to the new way, to what is unfolding in your life. And the boxes these people are coming up from, they're rising up. You see, they're black, they're dark, meaning there was no light in there. So this is the universe really asking you to wake up, to stand up, to come out of the darkness into the light, to shed all of the things that no longer serve you and work for you. And this is about you really rising from the ashes. A couple of weeks ago, we talked about fire. Now, the fire cleanses. It can take things away, it can destroy, but it feels like it's destroying the old now at the moment. It's destroying that so that then you can rise like the phoenix from the ashes. I just love that image. Let's have a look at these two cards. Let's put them up together. We've got the Ace of Cups and the Page of Cups. Now, the aces are always about new beginnings and new starts. So this is a new door opening, a new level, a new layer, a new opportunity. It could be an invitation. It could be something that opens a new path for you, a new adventure. Now, the pages also talk about this, but they're right at the beginning of the change, right at the beginning of something new and exciting and magnificent. Now, we've got two cups here. I was just looking to see. I thought I saw out the corner of my eye a cup there, but it's the trumpet upside down. It might still count as a cup. Who knows? So we've got the two cups. Now, cups are always about emotions and feelings. And emotions and feelings are how we pick up on our energy, what's going on with our energy field, our frequency, our vibration. You know, depending on how we feel, that's what is active and alive in our energy field. So, with these two, they both talk about a rebirth or a new start in regard to your emotions and feelings. So this is just, this is rebirth, rebirth, and rebirth. These are three signs that say rebirth, rebirth, rebirth. I think many of you are going to have the opportunity to take your energy to a completely different level, take yourself to a different place. Might be mentally, might be emotionally, but that's what I feel. I feel there's just a whole chance for you to be born again, and start something new, afresh. This is meant to be, we've got the hand of God here. This is fate and destiny. So there is a connection here to feeling like this is meant to be. Because this week, now, it might not always show up as something that we instantly recognize as being amazing, an incredible opportunity, like a letter in the post or a windfall or something like that. They're very typically, you kind of get, instantly you think, that might be positive. This could come in another form. So it could initially be not what you are expecting. That's what I'm picking up for some of you. Be open this week. Be just like see what happens. Be open, because I feel that some things are going to come to you this week and you think, well, I wouldn't have thought that would have been an opportunity or a chance for rebirth and regeneration. However, once you've worked through it and gone through that situation, you will realise it's the best thing that ever happened to you, or, the best thing that's happened in a few months or a year or whatever. So I do feel they are giving me that this opportunity may be disguised as something else. So be careful about your instant judgments on things, when something pops up and we think, oh, that's dreadful. That's not how I wanted it. That's not how I imagined it. Just be open to what the universe is trying to show you, give you. Because for some of you, they're actually trying to show you a different path, but you're ignoring it. That's what I'm picking up. You're ignoring it because it's not how you imagined it. Visioned it and imagined it. Yeah. So it's different. And but they want you to go down this path. There's something incredible. There's something magnificent. You'll go down it and you'll think, my gosh, I'm so glad I didn't, take this on face value. So be aware of that. Really be aware of that. It could be an offer of some sort. This person is offering the cup and this one's got the cup in their hand as well. So some sort of offer coming to you. It's from the heart. It could be an offer of love. However it comes, you're going to love it. But I feel for many of you, this is an offer from the universe, but it's coming in a different disguise. It is disguised. It's you didn't think it would look this way. You didn't think it would be this way. You didn't think it would be packaged in this way. But it is a real gift from the universe and an opportunity for you to rise out of the ashes and to set on a completely different path. So, the word they just keep giving me is be open. Be open. Oh, I'm just getting shivers all over. Be open. It's different to how you imagined. That's okay. It is still from the universe and you will love it. You will love it. How exciting. All right, I hope it's a really great week and thank you so much for watching.